Hi, I'm Derek. I'm a product engineer here at Form, and today we're in our design labs in beautiful Vancouver, Canada, to introduce you to the revolutionary Form swim goggles and Form app. We understand the challenges triathletes face in tracking, analyzing, and improving their swim, which is why we created Form, to modernize the world of swimming and help you become a better swimmer. Swimming has always lagged behind other endurance sports like cycling and running. With the introduction of the bike computer and the running watch, athletes now have access to real-time metrics in the moment, such as pace and distance, to unlock new levels of performance and help them adhere to their training. That's something that was unavailable in swimming until now. With the Form Smart Swim goggles, you have access to real-time metrics in your goggles and a post-swim analysis to capture all of your training data. Let's take a closer look at the goggles. First and foremost, we wanted to make sure that we designed a great pair of goggles. These are suitable for both pool swimming and open water swimming, and have a series of adjustable nose bridges and an adjustable head strap to make sure you can get the most comfortable, leak-free fit. We also designed the Form goggles with very high quality, durable materials, such as an industry-leading anti-fog, to make sure these last. And we back that by our 2-year warranty. But the real magic happens with the built-in, patented heads-up display. In one of the goggle cups, there's a transparent display that serves up all of your metrics in real time. It's almost like there's a screen floating about 6 feet in front of you that you can choose when to see through and when to snap your attention to it to get your key metrics. We serve up a whole suite of metrics such as time, distance, and pace that are ready for you right when you need it. There's an accelerometer and gyroscope right in the goggles that detect everything you do in the water. They know exactly when you're swimming, when you're resting, when you're doing a kick drill, all automatically, down to the exact stroke type that you're doing. And the reason they're so accurate is because these sensors are built into the goggles on your head rather than sensors on your wrist, making them the most precise swim tracker on the market. And the goggles are really easy to use. We've made the interactions as seamless as possible. There's 2 buttons on the goggles, and to get set up, you just power them on, select the type of swim you're doing, and push off. The goggles take care of everything else. There's no interacting or fumbling with buttons during your swim. All of the data is automatically captured. Another amazing thing about these goggles is its battery life. During my training for a triathlon, I was able to get about 3 or 4 weeks between charges. And we've rated this for over 16 hours of swim time. When you do need to charge, we've included a magnetic charging cable that easily latches to the device and charges within a couple hours. Next, I want to talk to you about dashboards. We've set up the Form goggles to deliver the exact information you need at the exact time you need it. So we've created 3 different dashboards to serve your information throughout your swim. The first one is the swim screen. Second is your turning screen. And finally, we have your rest screen. You can customize the data and metrics you see at each of those points in your swim to help you improve on your training. I recently completed my first 70.3 triathlon, and these helped me out a ton in my training. I like to set up my swim dashboard to have stroke rate. It keeps me focused on swim efficiency and help me understand when in a workout I might be starting to get tired or slack off. In my turn dashboard, I love seeing the split pace, so when I hit the wall and turn around, I see exactly how fast I went on that length. And during my rest dashboard, I like to see the overall time or the total swim distance, so I know where I am in the workout. And if you like training with heart rate, you can use a compatible Polar OH1 or VeritySense to connect directly to the goggles. This will give you real-time heart rate, average interval heart rate, and a full swim breakdown of your heart rate throughout your workout. But the goggles are only half the story. A full post-swim analysis is waiting for you in the Form app. Let me be clear about something. You don't need the phone near you or around you while you're swimming, as all of the data is automatically captured by the Form goggles. But once you get back to your phone, whether at the locker room or in your car, data automatically transfers in the background from your Form goggles to either an iPhone or compatible Android smartphone. Now that my latest swim has synced from the goggles to the phone, let's take a closer look. Right on the swim details screen, you can see a full breakdown of my entire workout. The graph below shows a different color indicating a different stroke type throughout my workout. As I was mentioning, the goggles will automatically detect from breaststroke to kick drill to backstroke and freestyle. You can see in this session, my main set was a bunch of freestyle in the middle with a few warm-up and cool-downs on the side. At the top of my swim card, you can see an overview of the entire workout. Total distance, my swim time, and even my average pace. But if I want a full breakdown, I can click into swim details for more information. This gives me a table view of all of the metrics for every single length of that swim. I can customize the data in this table depending on what I'm interested in knowing. As I was mentioning earlier, I like to have stroke rate in my goggles, so I've put it here in the table. You can see as my swim progressed how well I held pace and how efficient I was in the water, especially when comparing my stroke rate with my distance per stroke and that split time. I get a full picture of my efficiency in the pool. The Form app stores every single swim that I've done with the goggles. You get a complete history of your training, and it's great to see how you progress over time. It can be hard to know exactly what to do when you get to the pool. Sometimes when I show up at the swim lane, I just find myself repeating the same workout over and over again because that's the one that I have memorized. But if you have a specific goal in mind, whether you're looking to swim faster or improve your freestyle technique, that's where the Form app can really help. Inside the Form app, we have a selection of over 1,000 coach-designed workouts that sync directly into your goggles and will guide you through the workout automatically. In addition to the workouts in the app, you can also either modify them or input your own through our custom workout builder. And with the Form app, you also have access to a huge library of training plans. Form has over 30+ custom-designed training plans to help you meet your goal. Whether you're training for your first sprint triathlon, a full iron distance, or just some off-season maintenance like tuning your technique or building strength, Form has a training plan for you. Training plans are a collection of workouts that build through a set progression to help you towards your goals. The workouts automatically transfer from the app into the goggles, so when you get to the pool, you know exactly what you need to do. When I signed up to do a 70.3 triathlon, these training plans came in handy. They helped me build a regular schedule of going to the pool, and they also tracked my progression over time. So as I knew getting closer to race day, I was going to meet my goal time. Out of the box, the Form goggles are ready for open water swimming, whether that's lake or ocean. To start a swim, just select open water from the main menu, and you'll have instant access to time and stroke metrics. If you have a compatible smartwatch, such as a Garmin or an Apple Watch, you can unlock metrics such as GPS tracks, distance, and heart rate. For a full list of compatible devices, check out our website. Thanks for watching the video. We're confident that these will become an essential part of your swim kit and improve your swimming. We have a 30-day return policy and backed by a 2-year warranty. See you in the water.